হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান। আচ্ছা, আমার লাস্ট ক্লাসে আমরা ডিসকাস করেছিলাম এসটিপিজিটির সিলেবাসের ম্যাথমেটিক্স সিলেবাসের যা যা থাকবে। আজকে আমি ক্লাসটা শুরু করছি সেট থিওরি দিয়ে। মানে যেই পিডিএফটা আমি দেখাবো আর কি, ওটার 21টা পেজ, তার মধ্যে আমি পারি একটা লেকচার 1 আর লাস্ট পর্যন্ত থাকবে। কেন কি এই লেকচারে আমার কতগুলো মানে টপিক থাকবে যেটার উপর কোশ্চেন এসছে 2017 এন্ড 18 বোর্ড। ওকে, দুটো তিনটে করে কোশ্চেন আসছে। সো আমি এখানে ওই কোশ্চেনগুলো সলভ করার প্রসেসগুলো আমি দেখাবো। দ্যাটস ওয়াই তোমরা ফুল ভিডিওটা দেখবে, লাস্টে আমি মানে কোশ্চেনটা সলভ করব। ওকে, প্রিভিয়াস ইয়ার কোশ্চেন। তো আচ্ছা, সো ইন সেট থিওরি এখানে যেটা আমরা ডিসকাস করব, হিয়ার উই হ্যাভ দ্য ডেফিনেশন অফ সেট। ওকে, definition of set are different forms of different types of sets. Okay, finite set, infinite set, empty set, singleton set, equivalent set, equal set, subset. Okay, and the universal set and complement of set, and difference between two sets, union, intersection. Okay, so let us start the class with this one. See, what is the definition of that set? Set is a collection of well defined object. That means তোমরা এখানে দেখো কতগুলো एग्जांपल given আছে। কোনগুলো সেট হবে আর কোনগুলো সেট হবে না। See, there are some terms: tall, honest, interesting books, okay, and intelligent students. These words are not defined, so these collections are not set. Okay, see, collection of tall students in your school, so this word is not defined, so this collection is not a set. Similar manner, this honest word, interesting word, that intelligent student, these words are not defined, so these four examples are not defined set. Okay, now these are the sets. Okay, so for first example, collection of students in your school whose height is more than 186. You have some students of height more than 180. It may be there or may not be there, right? If it is not there, then the answer is no students are there. If it is there, then you can put the student, right? So answer must be fixed. It may be there, may not be there, right? See, next one is collection of those people in your colony. That means you have to collect the people. Okay, never been found involved in any theft case. Okay, right there. So we have a definite answer, মানে আমাদের মানে ফিক্স থাকতে হবে এটার আনসার আছে নাই, ওটা আমাদের জানতে হবে। এখানে কিন্তু এই যে টল, অনেস্ট, ইন্টারেস্টিং এন্ড ইন্টেলিজেন্ট, ওকে, এগুলোর কোনো ডেফিনেশন নেই, এগুলোর ডিফারেন্ট পারসনের জন্য ডিফারেন্ট হয়। দ্যাটস ওয়াই দে আর নট সেটস। ওকে, এই কালেকশন গুলো সেট হবে, রাইট? So this is the definition of set. Next, you have to know this sign. See, n. So notation. See, n. What is n? N is the set of natural number. That means n equals to, it is a set of natural number 1, 2, 3, so to infinity. These are called natural number. Okay. Then whole number is denoted by W. These are the basic things starting from 0 with your natural number, right? Next, the set of integer. Set of integer means you have 0 here and in the right side you have 1, 2, 3 dot dot, right? The negative numbers are also there. It also can be written as in short way 0 comma plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 like that. Okay. It is plus minus 3. Okay, like that. So here see, Z plus is the set of all positive integers. That means you have to take all these positive integers for Z plus. For Z plus. Z minus means you are selecting all negative integers, right? Now see Q. Q is a set of rational numbers which can be written as P by Q form, where Q not equals to 0. So you should know that what type of number is this. Okay. So this type of numbers are called rational numbers and denoted by Q, right? Next I are the irrational numbers. This is I. Irrational number means just like this, square root of P. Okay, where P is not a perfect square, right? Next, I finish. Next, R is denoted by this real number. Okay, real number is your real number R. R is whole real line. Okay, middle is 0 and see here we have fraction number, root, rational, irrational, all the numbers. Here we have the negative numbers. So the whole real line is called real numbers. Numbers on real line are called real numbers. Okay, all number this up Z to I consist in R. Okay. Next, C. What are complex number? Complex number, see we have, if we have this one, square root of, let us take 12, minus 12. Now, you can't find this number in real line. Amra real line e number ta kothao pabo na. So, amra etake kibhabe define korbo? Root over minus 1 along with root over 12, right? So, minus 1 take amra separate kore niyechi. We have separated this negative 1 and the positive number, right? And this is denoted by iota. Okay, this is called iota. So this number becomes root 12 iota, and this is called complex number. Okay, complex number. That means the number having negative sign within square root are called complex number. These are not belongs to real line. Okay, so we are done with complex number. So this type of numbers are complex number, right? Next, some notations are there. See, symbols. This type, this is called belongs to, right? And if you cut it, that means it not belongs to. Okay, and some notation are there. E in opposite direction, it is called there exist. There exist. And if you cut it, then it is called does not exist. Okay, in short manner we are writing now there exist. In place of there exist, it is opposite of E. Okay, and if you cut it, then it will be does not exist, right? Okay, so we are done with notations. Next, how to represent a set? Set is represented by two methods. One is roster, second is set builder method. Roster method, and here we have the set builder method. Two forms are there. See, in roster method, we have to write the collection in elements form. These are called element of the set. Okay, elements of the set. And the collection can be written as light in, see, the collection of vowels. Okay, Z. Vowels of English alphabet. This can be written as, just write the vowels with comma. Okay, O-U. Right. Next, A with a set of all natural number less than 7. It is less than 7. Okay, less than 7 means how many numbers are there? Less than 7 natural number. Natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay, so you have to write only the numbers less than 7. That means 4, 5, 6 up to 6. It is less than 7. So how many numbers we have? 6 numbers, right? So in this way you can write the set, the collection. Okay, this is called roster method. Okay, next, the next method is set builder method. Now how to write this set builder method? So we have written set builder method. See, collection of vowels A, E, I, O, U. See, we have how many elements are there? 5 elements. These 5 elements represented as a single element X. That means, excuse me. Let's see, we have 5 elements here, right? So these 5 elements can be represented by single element. That means we can write like this, X. So we are representing this 5 element as a single element. Okay, X. Now what are they? What is X? X is a vowel of English alphabet. So just you define X. That means definition of this A, E, I, O, U, right? So X is this one, vowel of English alphabet. That means these 5 elements represented by a single element. This is called set builder method, right? So similar manner you have, see, there is another, we have already done this one, natural number less than 7. So how many numbers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? See, here we have 6 elements. How to write it? This 6 element represented by a single element. What is that? X. Okay. Now X belongs to N. That means X is a natural number. You may write that X is a natural number. Okay, X is a natural number. Now these natural numbers are less than 7. So you have to mention that X is less than 7. So in this way you can write the set, and this method is called set builder form. Okay, so this form are called set builder form. That means the number of elements can be represented by a single element, which is X, right? So we are finished with the form, right? Next, so here are some examples. See, we have already done. Now, so what we have, you practice all this. Okay, these are the some integers, right? Integers are denoted by Z. This is in set builder form. Z. X is one number representing whole numbers. All these 7 numbers represented by this single X. Okay. Now what are the numbers? They are integers. Now they are only 7 integers. So you have to write the boundary. Okay. So here we have the integer less than equals to 3 and greater than equals to -3. So you have to write the boundary. Okay. So this is called set builder form. Okay. Similar manner, these are the multiple of 3. Okay. So now see, x equals to thrice n, right? So now what is n? N equals to 1, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, then 3 fours are 12. That means you have to take n from 1 to 4. Okay. So you have to write x equals to thrice n, then multiple of n, right? And n is n. These are the natural numbers less than 4. Okay. In this way you have to write this set. Okay. So similar manner you can write this one also. 4, 12, right? 16. Same manner you can write this also. How? See, x says that x equals to 4n, okay, and n belongs to n. That means this n belongs to the natural number where n is less than equals to 4, right? So in this way you can write this 4, 8, 12 and 16 also. These are also multiple of 4, right? So this finished. Now second example, write the following in roster form. Roster form means you have to write the answers only, okay, elements only. So see, what is the set C? Set C is x such that x is single element. X will be your natural number. Now, how many natural numbers are there? Natural numbers are from 50 to 60. That means 50, 51, 52 up to 60. Right? So, 50 to 60. These are your answers. See. 50, 51, 52 up to 60. Okay? Similar manner, D, X says that X belongs to R. X is a real number. And what are the real numbers? Solution of this equation, x square minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. That means you have to solve it. Just solve it. Okay? Middle term factor. By middle term factor 6, you have the factors 2 and 3. Okay? Minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 equals to 0. Just solve the quadratic equation. It is also important. Okay? Solve the equation. Middle term factor. So, take common x minus 3. You all know that, na? The middle term factor. Okay? If you don't know, then you can comment. Next day, I will teach you how to solve. So, x is to 2 or 3. So, how many elements are there? 2 and 3. Right? So, here we have only 2 elements in this set D. Right? Next. Now, classification of sets. How many types of sets are there? First of all, finite and infinite set. Finite and infinite set. Finite means what? Number of elements are finite. Okay, just like that. How many elements we have? A, E, I, O, U. How many elements we have? Only 5 elements, right? So 5 elements means we have the finite set. So this is your finite set. Number of elements are finite, right? So if you write z, the set of integers, okay, set of integers, 0 in the middle, okay, 1 2 3 dot dot dot, these are the positive numbers and these are the negative. Now see, these numbers are going to infinity, okay? So this z, this set is infinite set. So this set is called infinite set, and that the first set A is finite set, right? মানে number of elements কি হবে তোমাদের finite হবে আর কি। আর সেকেন্ড সেটটা যেটা আমরা দেখিয়েছি z, ওটাতে থাকবে infinite numbers, so it is called infinite set. Infinite element থাকলে infinite set বলে, right? So these are the definitions, okay? Next, empty set. Empty means what? Empty means nothing is there. That means answer is no. Okay, answer is no. How? See, there is an example. X such that x belongs to R. X is a real number. They are saying x is a real number. Now there is an equation, this one. So we have to solve it, right? X square plus 1 equals to 0. Our x must be real. So let us check. X square equals to minus 1, right? Then x equals to plus minus square root of minus 1. And I told you, what is my root over minus 1? It is iota. Now what is iota? It is a complex number. Okay, what is iota? It is complex number. It is not real. Not real. So here we have quadratic equation and its solutions are complex number which are not real. Okay, so here they are saying x must be a real number, so we don't have any real solution. So within second bracket we don't have any answer, right? This is called null set or empty set. That means nothing is there. Nothing is there. Okay, so this is represented by 5. This is very important, the notation of empty set. It is represented by 5. This is called 5. P-H-I, 5. Okay, so similar manner, second example, see the second example. X is a number which is greater than 7, okay, but less than 5. That means there is a number, let us say it is x, okay, it is greater than 7 and x is less than 5. Is there any number? Is there any number which is greater than 7? Greater than 7 means more than 7. Again they are saying it is less than 5. Okay, greater than 7 and less than 5. No number exists. Then that means its answer is also a empty set. Okay, empty set. It is also 5. It is also denoted by 5. Okay, done. Next what we have? Singleton set. Singleton set means what? Singleton set means we have a single number within the set. So here we have singleton set. That means we have a single number within the set, means single element. The set contains single element. So let us go for an example. আমরা example দেখি। x is an even prime number. Okay, So we have only one even prime number. Only one even prime number. What is that? 2. So prime number starts from 2 and this is the smallest even prime number. Okay. It is 2. So 2. So this is called singleton set. Okay. Single number contains single number. Only one element. Okay. I said this is only one element. Done. Next, equal and equivalent sets. Equal and equivalent sets means, equal sets means what? All elements are same. There is a difference between equal and equivalent set. See, same number of elements, they are called equal sets. Directly equal, right? And same number of elements, but elements are different. They are called equivalent sets. So there is a difference. Single different, number of elements are same, but elements are not same. Number of elements. Number of elements are same, but elements are not same. Elements are not same. So number 1 and number 2. So this is called equivalent set. This one. Equivalent set. Okay. So number of elements are same, but elements are not same. Okay. So this set is called equivalent set. D and E, right? But in equal sets, all elements are same and number of elements are also same. Both are same. Okay. These two are same. Okay. So equal set and equivalent set is finished. Next, disjoint set. Disjoint set means what? Disjoint set means totally different. Okay. লেটার মানে পরে তোমরা পাবে যে ইন্টারসেকশন ফাইল মানে ওদের মধ্যে কমন কিছুই নেই, ঠিক আছে? দে ডোন্ট হ্যাভ এনি কমন এলিমেন্টস দিস সেটস আর কল্ড ডিসজয়েন্ট সেটস. For example, see A equals to 1 3 5 and 2 4 6. You may write like this: A B C and the set B is 1 2 3. See, they don't have any common element. So these two sets are called disjoint. Later you can learn that this one. If A B are disjoint sets, then intersection of two sets will be 5. Okay, that means no common elements are there, right? So we are done with disjoint set. So take 1 minute. I have given you 1 minute to solve all this. It is already solved. So you try by your own. Okay. 1.6 also. Okay. Do all this 4 examples, okay, by your own, right? Practice this. Just 1 minute. Also, Shaban, we are done. So, what we have in the example 1.3, A has two elements 2 and 4, right? And B has also two elements, because you have to solve this quadratic equation to find the numbers, right? So, you should know middle term factor, okay? You should know middle term factor of this one. See, x square plus, what are the factors of 8? Let us choose 4 and 2, because if we add 4 and 2, we are getting 6. So, properly it can be written as 4 plus 2 x plus 8 equals to 0. This sign will be written here. Okay? 4 plus 2 x plus 8. Now, x square plus 4x plus 2x plus 8 equals to 0. So, in the previous manner, just take common. 2x plus 4 equals to 0. Then what we have? These sums are very, very important. Okay. Solving quadratic equation, middle term factor. Okay. So, x values are minus 4 and minus 2. So, see, how many elements you have? 2 elements, minus 4 and minus 2. A has elements 2 and 4. So, is there any common elements in A, B? No. Here we have 2, 4 and minus 2, minus 4. So, no common elements. So, these two sets are called square set. That is no joint there, no common element. Right. So, these two sets are these square sets. Okay. Number 1 done. Number 1.4. Second example. A is a set, vowel of English alphabet, that means A, E, I, O, U, and the second set is Y belongs to natural number B. So, here we have the natural number Y less than equals to 5. That means less than equals to 5, how many numbers we have? 5 numbers. Okay, less than equals to, that means up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we have 5 elements in B, and in A we have also 5 elements, but elements are number of elements are same. Elements are different, right? Then they don't have equals. They are not equal. So A not equal to B. They are equivalent. Equivalent sign means like that. Okay. A is equivalent to B. Okay. Next, 1.5. The next example, see, X is a point on a line. X is a point on a line. X is a point on a line. So, if you consider a line, how many points are there? How many points are there on a line? How many points are there? Infinite points. How many points? Infinite points. So, what is the name of the set? It is a infinite set. Infinite set. So, this set A is infinite set, right? Now, what is B? Now, what is B? B, see, what is B? B. Y belongs to N, natural number, and natural number less than 50. That means starting from 1, you have to go up to 50. So, you have finite numbers 1 to 50, right? So, this is a finite set. So, B is a finite set, and this one A is infinite set. Got it? So, 1.5 done. Next, 1.6, right? Go for this. A. X is irrational and find the solution of this. X square minus 1 equals to 0. How many elements are there? X equals to plus minus 1. See, they are rational number. Plus minus 1. Plus 1 and minus 1. And X is, they are saying X is irrational number. They are not matching, right? That means it is an empty set. No answer is there. Okay, because no element is there. They are saying X is irrational. We are not getting irrational number. We are getting rational number, right? So its answer will be 5. Okay, 5, the empty set, right? So similar manner, B. Find B. X belongs to integer. That means we need an integer numbers. Now, what we have? Minus 2 to 2. So, all of the numbers are integers. So, we have the set from minus 2 to up to 2. So, it is not a empty set. Okay, it is not a empty set. It is a finite set with some elements. Okay, so it is not an empty set. So first one is empty. Okay, and second one is not empty. Right? So we are done. So B is not empty, and here we have 5 elements. Okay, so we are done with that. Similarly, find this one. Find the elements of this A and B. Compare them. They are singleton or not. That means containing single element, it is called singleton set. Right? So you solve by your own. So you solve by your own. Okay. Next, there are some. Check your progress. CYP. Some CYPs are there. This question is important. Okay. This question is important as because see 1A and 4A. You have to write the appropriate symbol. Okay. We have symbols. We have learned about this belongs to and not belongs to. Belongs to means it belongs to 3. This element 3 belongs to A. Right? Element 3 belongs to A, but 5 is not belongs to A. The element belongs to A. 3. 1 is also belongs to A, but others are not belong to A. If you take 6, same manner, not belong to A. So, what will be the answer? 1. 1 is there in the set A. We can put 1 to A. Now 4. 4 is in A. So 4 is not belongs to A. And everyone, you can write the symbol belongs to and not belongs to. Okay. Again, here we have which are collection of set. That means if you have that tall, beautiful words are there, they are not set. Okay, these are your homework. Take screenshot and practice at home. Right? So question number 2 done. Question number 3, roster method. That means you have to write the elements only. These are your homeworks. And disjoint sets, we are already done. Disjoint sets means the sets which have no common elements. Okay, if they have no common elements, then that sets are disjoint sets. So this is also homework, and this is also homework because we have already done this one, finite and infinite set. Finite means number of elements are finite, okay, and infinite means number of elements are infinite, right, up to infinity. So find the answers. These are homework. These are also done. Null set or singleton set. If you have no answer, then it will be 5. Just I am doing the single one, right? See this one, A. X belongs to R, and they are saying X is a solution of this one. X square plus 2 equals to 0. So X square equals to minus 2. So similar manner, solve this plus minus root over minus 2. Now separate minus. If you separate minus, then root 2, it will be I. So what we have? The solution as complex number, right? So here they are saying they need the real number. Okay, they need real number. But what we have? Complex number. Complex number. These questions are very important, right? So complex number. So we don't have any answer. So it is an empty set. Got it? Null set. This is a null set, right? So others are homework. Okay. Next, in question number 7, check just A equals to B or A is equivalent to B. If you are given with two sets, if they are equal, what is the definition? Number of elements are same. Okay, and elements are also same. Number of elements are same and elements are also same. But in equivalent case, you have number of elements same, but elements are not same. Okay. So what we have? Just I am doing the single one. Okay. A. What is A? This is one solution, right? A. What is A? It is a set with a single element A. Okay. Now what is B? It is written that X is an even prime number. So we are already done. Even prime number means only 2. Okay. See, they are equal or equivalent. Number of elements are same. 1, 1. Okay. But these two are different. These two are different. So they are not equal. They are not equal. They are equivalent. Got it? The idea? Right? So this is also homework. Right? So for today, let us end this class up to this. You have to do your homework at home. These all 7 questions, right? Practice at home. Previous year question, 2017 or 18. Go for that STPGT question. Hmm. 2017. Not in 2017. Question number 4. Do by your own. Finite or infinite? Question number 4, 2017. Which of the following sets is not finite? And you just find from internet 2017 question and 2018 question STPGT mathematics. 2018. Go for the question 2018. Okay. There is a set, question number 1. There is a set A equals to 2, 3, 5, 7. Then find the correct statement. Okay, find the correct statement. Find the correct statement. Find the correct statement. If you have a set A, correct? So if you consider a set 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have already done one example. Okay, belongs to or not belongs to. Okay, belongs to and not belongs to. In similar manner, here is one question. 2 belongs to A. Option 1. Option 2. Subset is not done. Subset is not done. Right. Subset is not done. This subset of A, like that. If you say 4 not belongs to A. Okay. Fourth option. So, which one is correct? Which one is correct? We have already done that belongs to and not belongs to idea, right? See, this is the correct option because the whole thing, you have to say, the whole thing. This is a set containing the element 2. Is this belongs to this set? That means এই পুরোটা কি এর ভিতরে আছে? এই পুরোটা একসাথে with bracket এখানে আছে কি? নেই, right? So it is not belongs to. They are saying it is belongs to. If it is belongs to, then you have to see the whole element belongs to, that means within the set. So with the second bracket it is not there, right? With the second bracket it is not there, so it is not belongs to. Okay, it is not belongs to, right? Number 4 also, see, 4, they are saying 4 not belongs to A, but 4 belongs to A, na? 4 belongs to A, that's why it is wrong, right? Similar manner, within second bracket you have 4, right? So this is not there, this is not there in the set. In second bracket you have the 4, that means it is a set with an element 4. So with the bracket it is not there, 4, right? So they are saying it is belongs to A, so it is also false. Okay, right? So same type of question is there in 2018 paper, question number 1. So let us consider another example. 2, second bracket 3, 4 and 5. Okay, see, this is 3. Okay, now if you have the option 4 not belongs to A, second bracket 4 belongs to A, 3 belongs to A, the fourth option 3 belongs to A. Now which one is correct? This type of questions are very important. Try this. Try this one. So all of you are done. হয়ে গেছে সবার? Because see, 4 not belongs to A, but 4 is there, na? 4 belongs to A, so it is false. Number 2, within second bracket 4 is there, na? Now see, only 4 is belongs to the set A, but within bracket it is 4, that means 4 containing within set. Okay, it is a set containing one element 4, so it is not there, right? Within bracket it is not there. Now again, it is also a set, it is also a set. Now with this second bracket, is it there in the set? মানে second bracket কে নিয়ে সেটের ভিতর আছে কিনা? Yes, আছে, so it is the correct option. And if it is with second bracket, so only 3 is there? No, only 3 is not there. Okay, so this is also false. Okay, so in 2018 we have this type of question, right? 2018 STPGT, right? Mathematics. Okay, so up to this I am ending my class with this question. So do your homework. Okay, so thank you for watching.